Well, I hope you like that. That's the new channel intro. Trying to up the game for 2025. Just overall trying to do that YouTube thing where you grow. Anyways, I got more plans for 2025, and they include doing beginner focused content, not the whole year, sort of more towards the beginning of the year. And I want to do shorter focused videos. I would prefer not to do a 2-hour long, everything you need to know about Nomad packed into 2 hours. I'm going to try to break it up and have more quick wins. It's going to be things like one video just dedicated to navigating 3D space, bringing in primitives, how to use the boolean tool, how to use this brush or that brush. Very focused, and that way that you can go through the playlist. I'll just take all these videos, put them in a playlist, and call the playlist beginner course. And you guys can decide, which videos are right for you. And if you want to jump ahead because you're a little more intermediate, then you can. And that's the goal. I also wanted to just say thank you for a great 2024. You guys were all very supportive. So many kind words in the comments. I can't thank you enough for motivating me and showing me that much love. And I hope that continues. And I'm going to do my best to support you guys. So if you have any comments about what you want to see in this beginner content, please let me know. All right. Thanks for watching. Keep making things, and I'll see you in the next video.